Hey guys, Purple Kitty AJ here, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with my friend Gigi. We are both eating, so don't mind the crunching sounds and the food sound.
ASMR.
ASMR, exactly. I was actually thinking that too.
Hello, how's everybody doing?
I'm eating chips and apparently she's eating rice.
And chicken.
And chicken, rice and chicken.
And if you don't like it, too bad.
Too bad. No, if you don't are eating ASMRs, click off the video.
Yeah, you can go,
This is gonna be until I'm full, by the way.
Wait, what?
I'll be eating until I'm full.
My dog, what are you doing? There's more to life than you're just staring at me. What's everything going?
You know, if there's food and you have an animal, they're going to want the food whether they love you or not.
What are you?
Anything.
Hold on. Wait a minute.
Stop. Wait a minute.
Hold on. Wait a minute. It's time to.
Do you have to hack computers?
Huh?
Do you have to hack computers? Hey, it's not my fault. We have... I'm following somebody. What are the chances of being murdered?
I just died.
What was your chance of being murdered? What was your chance of being murdered?
The murderer is literally right there. I didn't know.
Inventory.
Hello.
I'm gonna use a gun. They can't even give us like a speed boost. Whoops.
So guys, I have a question for you. What do you play Fortnite?
If you do, I will hurt you.
Let's play some duos.
What?
Nothing.
Do I have to kill you now?
No. Let's play Fortnite. Play some duo squads.
I hate Fortnite personally, but
You downloaded it on your computer, my dude.
to try it and it was terrible.
It was so fun. My phone just fell. And bounced. So,
It's probably a bad time to be emote.
it's what? It's a bad time to do what?
I was doing emote.
Oh, that was a bad time to do that.
I figured.
Hold up. Wait a minute. It's like
So, how do you like ASMR so far?
horrible.
It's brutal. No, I have a bag of all the strawberries and bananas. We can play some if I become murderer and killing G.
Excuse me, what did you call me? Did you just call me Chia? My name is
No, I almost said your real name, but I caught myself. Yep. Gia in the lower house. What? What? Oh yes. I survived. If not, just stay in the box the whole time. Oh well.
I lost connection.
Hey, you wanna play a different game?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we both got
So
bored.
thank you guys so much for watching.
Let me talk, woman.
Purple Kitty AJ. We are like, yeah. So bye. Hope you have a special day. Bye.
So what she was trying to say was we got bored, so we're just gonna talk for a little while. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.